Hello, good morning friends. Myself Dhawal S. Mistry. I am assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. Last 3.5 years in the teaching field. I am a professor in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical and Education and Research Center which is situated in Navsari. In our campus, huge campus, it is also diploma college in our campus, and there is a sport complex. It is a sport complex is also available in our institute, which is the student are playing indoor games, and it is also a outer door game for the huge cricket ground in our campus. In our institute, there are the highly qualified and highly experienced faculty are in our institute. And it is our institute is a reputed institute in the Gujarat, and it is the oldest engineering college in Navsari. Okay, today we discuss about this shaper, slaughter and planner, chapter number 6 in manufacturing process subject, which is code is 3141908. Start. So in chapter number 6, shaper, slaughter and planner. So a figure is the shaper machine. We know about the shaper machine, what is the working function of shaper machine. To remove unwanted material are to be removed by the force applying to the tool. In shaper machine, we know in the industry, in factory, the shaper machine are to be a very hard and huge material are to be cut by the shaper machine. So in figure, simply construction of the shaper machine. So in figure, this is the tool post, tool slide, clamp, ram, frame, cross rail, base and table. These are the main component of the shaper machine. This is the main component of the shaper machine. The working principle of the shaper machine to force applied by the ram to the reciprocating of the ram. What's happened? The tool is fit with the tool post, and the material to be put on the table by the fixer, fixing to the fixer. There are different types of fixer available in the market to fix the workpiece, which is depending upon the shape and size of the workpiece. First, what's happened? The material are to be fitted in the table, and the table are workpiece are to fix it in the table. And then the start to the shaper machine. What's happened? The ram are to be reciprocating. So what's happened? Tool are fit with the tool post. So the tool are in reciprocating. The material are to be cut by the upper side of the workpiece to be removed by the tool. This is the tool is the harder than the workpiece. It is most important because whenever the tool is the softer than the workpiece, so what's happened? The tool are to be chances of the break-in is most. That's why there are two stroke in the shaper machine. First stroke is the forward stroke, and second one is the return stroke. In what's happened? The forward stroke, the cutting material, cut the material, and return stroke to the not cutting material. In ram, whenever the move to the left hand side is cut by the material, and return stroke, what's happened? The return stroke ram are to be upside and to lift it by the clamper. It is the advantages of the return stroke to left side, because whenever the return stroke, the material are to be touched with the workpiece. So what's happened? There are scratches or chances of the scratching in the workpiece. That's why it is the return stroke to be ram are to be lifted by the clamper. Like this is two types of stroke, forward and backward. This is the simply construction in shaper machine. There are to be cut a material by hard material also to be cut by in this shaper machine. It is the most important machining for the studies. Okay, next topic is the slaughter machine. See in figure, this is the slaughter machine. It is also known as the vertical shaper machine. It is the second name of the vertical shaper machine. See in figure, this is the same in horizontal. We are talking about the horizontal shaper machine. This is the vertical shaper machine. It is another name for the slaughter machine. A slaughter machine is the we know about the slaughter machine is mostly used for the keyway slot for the workpiece, and it is also internal thread internal work for the it is use of this slaughter machine, and it is also a operation done by the gear profile is also making using of the attachment. For indexing attachment, we know we also work for the gear making. Okay, this is the show figure of the slaughter machine. First showing the tool post, the tool, ram, housing, base, longitudinal feed for saddle for the longitudinal feed, saddle for the cross feed. This is the rotary table, and then this is the base. It is a simply construction of the slaughter machine. In slaughter machine, first we know about the mechanism of the quick return mechanism used in this slaughter machine. Quick return mechanism. There are different types of mechanism in the available for the slaughter type, quick return and hydraulic mechanism. There are different types of mechanism in the different machine. But in this the slaughter machine use of the quick return mechanism. In the quick return mechanism, what's happened? There are the cutting stroke are very short, and in the very fast and very accurate that the return stroke is very slow. That's why it is known as the quick return mechanism for the in the slaughter. In quick return mechanism, force applied by the very high force applied by the in this mechanism. So there are maximum force is applied by the in this mechanism for the in the forward stroke means of the cutting stroke. So in figure this is the tool, and it is a ram. It is a reciprocal movable of the up and down side by the tool cut by the put a workpiece in the rotary table. Rotary table are move the 360 degree rotate a hole in the rotary, and this is the saddle for the move of the left hand side and right hand side by the and it is fixed by the shape and size of the workpiece. To change all of the rotary table saddle are changed by the it is depend upon the workpiece shape and size. First we fitted in the workpiece to the rotary table by the fixer. There are different fixer available in the market, and it is suitable for the workpiece which are used in the fixer. Okay, the tool are in the up and down side for the ram. Workpiece are in the held in here, and what's happened in the tool are in the up and down. So what's happened? The tool is cut the material by the keyway slot. It is the most important for the operation done by the keyway slot done by in this slaughter machine for mostly use. It is also use of the gear profile. It is also making for the in this machine. It is also internal work or external work. It is also done by the in this machining process. It is mostly available in the industry. It is highly used of the keyway for the machining. Okay, next is the planer machine. We know about the planer machine is the same as the shaper machine, but in this planer machine there are number of heads are available in the planer machine. See in figure, this is the double housing planer. In this machining there are the 4 number of heads are available in this planer machine. So in figure, this is the housing support, this is the cross rail, this is the housing, and this is the bed. In the we discuss about the in a shaper machine. In shaper machine there is the only one workpiece used in the at one time. There are in the and there is only one tool head. And in this planer machine there are the number of heads are in the planer machine. What's happened? It is the advantages of what this is the use of the mass production. Whenever you use the mass production, there it is use of the planer machine. It is a very heavy work whenever done by the in the planer machine. First we start with principle of the planer machine. First the table. This is the table. Put workpiece on the table, and there are the tool posts. This is the cross rail. Tool post, tool head are the move in the cross rail for the adjustable of the shape and size of the workpiece. whenever it is the where complex shape are put by the in the table, so what's happened, there are number of heads are the operation done by the there are now at that time in a single time we done by the workpiece are to be material removed in the at that one time. It is a most benefit of the they are heavy work, and if the complex shape it is also done by the planer machine. This is the double housing planer machine. There are one housing and two housing. That's why it is called a double housing planer. This is the housing support in planer machine. Our next topic is discuss about the difference between the shaper and planer. We first discuss about the in a shaper machine. What's happened? The shaper machine is the speed of the shaper machine are in the whenever ram are move reciprocating at the time speed are changed, but in this the planer machine the speed of the all the tool head are in the equally, not changed by the any of the operation. This is the then the second topic is what in shaper machine the small workpiece are to be done by this shaper machine, but in the in planer machine there are heavy workpiece are to be used, and it is also complex shape of the use but done by the in a planer machine. Next is the words in shaper machine there is the only one tool post head in the held in the shaper machine. In this planer machine there are number of tool head are available in the planer machine. Next is the size of the shaper machine is very small, and the size of the planer machine are bigger than the shaper machine. Next is the accuracy and accurately work done by the planer machine in shaper machine there is it is not accurate than the planer machine. That's why it is whenever surface finishing, and it is also whenever required the use of the planer machine for the best for the in a workpiece for the operation done by the planer machine. Then the huge and heavy it is a planer machine, whenever the shaper machine is the small size and compact size of the machining. Next is the in what's happened in a shaper machine there are the in the slaughter types of mechanism. Now in this type the all different types of quick return mechanism, and it is also done by the in this planer machining. There are the mainly we discussed about there are the mainly difference between the we are discussed about the both. Thank you.